Wagwan people, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you my method of preparing the Jamaican pickle. So in a pot on low heat I am adding a few pimento seeds and white vinegar. The amount of vinegar used depends on the size of the container, and I would suggest using a small amount of pimento seeds because pimento has a strong flavor and it will mask the taste of the other ingredients. Turn off heat, cover pot, and allow the pimento seeds to steep into the vinegar until the vinegar becomes cool. So I'm using one chocho, 2 carrots, 1 large onion, and 4 hot peppers. Chocho is actually called Christophine in other Caribbean islands, and another name I don't remember. Just Google Christophine if you don't know what is chocho. So I peel the chocho, scrape the carrots, and then wash the peppers as well. And yeah, I am slicing the chocho into thin slices, and then I am gonna cut each slice lengthwise like Julienne. Yeah, man. So I am actually making 2 bottles of pickle, but I'm just gonna show one for the camera. I am using a vegetable peeler to shave the carrots or whatever you want to call it. I'm not sure what you call those, but yeah, I'm using a vegetable peeler instead of a knife. And for the onion, I am cutting the onion into thin slices. And the peppers, I am also cutting the peppers into thin slices. The vinegar is cool. Make sure that the vinegar is cool. And so I'm pouring some of the vinegar into a clean jar. The jar should be clean. And then I'm going to pack the ingredients into the jar. So I mentioned earlier that the amount of vinegar used depends on the size of the container, right? Because if you're using a bigger container, then you will definitely need to use more vinegar, right? Yeah, man. So this is what I call the Jamaican pickle. This is not the Jamaican escovitch sauce. At least where I am from in Jamaica, this is not the Jamaican escovitch sauce. The Jamaican escovitch sauce, the traditional Jamaican escovitch sauce is uploaded to this channel so you can search for it, right? It's simple ingredients, just onion, add pepper, and vinegar. That is the traditional Jamaican escovitch sauce. But when you put chocho and carrots, that's what we call pickle. Me not know about nobody else. You understand? Yeah, man. So gonna cover the jar, and it can and pour the remaining vinegar into the jar. Yeah, man. And can cover the jar because the vinegar is cool. And this can store on the countertop, you know, for a week. After a week, you have to put it in the fridge. But this no last more than a week. You understand? Yeah, man. I love sardines and pickle. I remove the bones from the sardines, the roe and everything like that. I clean up the sardine. And then all I did was to, you know, add the pickle. And that's it, man. This is a wicked combination. And you don't even have to use the amount of peppers that I use either, especially if you are afraid of peppers. You can use less. But I'm telling you, this is a wicked combination.